Once delivered to the manufacturer, milk is processed in modern and automated factories using responsible environmental practices. The relevant State Dairy Food Authority licenses all dairy factories, while factories manufacturing product for export also require Department of Agricultural registration. Documented HACCP-based food safety plans and quality assurance programs are developed to ensure that consumer needs and specifications, including food safety, are constantly met.
Yeah, obviously licensed and regulated with the local authority, Dairy Food Safety Victoria here, but that's very much the basic premise of food safety here. We do considerably more than that, and I'll give you an example. We have a big focus on supply quality, so that's the quality of all our ingredients and packaging. We have staff dedicated to making sure that we're inspecting those factories and that we're inspecting the products that we get from them.
The food safety program must be approved by state dairy food authorities prior to the granting of a licence. The core elements of the food safety program for manufacturing establishments include pathogen reduction technologies including pasteurisation, temperature controls, processing, cleaning and sanitising, storage, traceability forwards and backwards through the supply chain from farm to customer, post-pasteurisation hazard management, raw material and ingredient management, records, personnel competency. All suppliers of ingredients, services and packaging work with dairy companies to ensure their materials and services meet specific requirements, especially with regard to food safety and the traceability of materials. Rigorous standards exist for the design and construction of factories in order to minimise cross-contamination of the final product. Storage and processing equipment is constructed to meet manufacturing requirements and to ensure food contact surfaces are clean and hygienic. Verification techniques used by dairy companies include testing of milk and ingredients, measurement of temperature, time and chemical composition, calibration of measuring and testing equipment, monitoring of the factory environment for contaminants, final product testing, and internal auditing of procedures. Information such as product name, date of production, production plant, and packing equipment is used to identify different product batches. Additional information including nutritional and use by information is required for labels of goods sold within Australia and in overseas markets. Australian and international customers may also audit all or part of a company's food safety and quality assurance program. An annual verification program is undertaken by the Department of Agriculture and state dairy food authorities to confirm the implementation of key elements of Australia's food safety systems. In addition, state dairy food authorities and other regulatory agencies monitor the safety of milk and dairy products.